Hello, Judd here. Sunday. Oh my God, it's Sunday. The days are just like, I'm losing the days. When you don't have a regular job or people around, one day is the same as another. Anyways, I'm a little excited today because the demo work is done, the repair work is done, and today we start building the construction end of it, which is just very wonderful. That's the good stuff. So we're set up here. I got to cut my boards to size, and that's about it. We're going to go. So I'm going to start measuring. What I need to know is that all the boards are going to be the same length. Hopefully. 71 3/4. 71 3/4. Okay, so the variation of 1/8 of an inch. Now, if I take a 1/4 inch off on each end, there is a 66 1/2. Okay, so there's a variation of 1/8 of an inch from one end to the other, which is fine because I'm going to have a 1/4 inch gap on each end. So I'll go 66 1/2, and that should do it. Good. Good. Okay. Okay. Now I gotta get well, let me show you. Okay, I got joists running this way, but I'm shorting the boards, so they're not going to the outer joist. So I gotta add another joist in here and over there. And they've gotta get fitted in there with stuff in the way, so I gotta cut those very precisely. Okay, 68 3/4 on that one. Wonderful, 68 3/4 on both of them. Boom, boom, that's that. The wood is cut. To give me the best chance of survival on these, I'm going to give these a spray on the ends. And I'm also going to paint the ends and edges of the deck boards before I put them in, because it's hard to get at them once they're in. Also, one of these boards I cut 1/2 inch too short. I have no idea what the heck happened, but one of them is 66 instead of 66 1/2. But I think I can get away with it. Okay, so I'm going to let that set for a few minutes and then we'll paint. lady, that's all, folks. Okay, time to fit those new joists. Okay, we got a problem. Now we need a solution. Not quite as straightforward as I thought. Whew. Okay, there we go. Got my new joist in, so now with my boards ending short of this, they still got plenty of support on the end, but recessed back from the end so they don't just drip into this. Okay. Time to switch cameras because now the fun part comes. Okay, now the fun part. Out back I did 3/8 spacing and I like that. So I'm going to do the same here. And then I found this, I think this was an old drawer bottom that I can use for a 1/4 inch gap at the ends. So I want to keep my end gaps good. Also the screw nails that I've got are like 2.5 inches long, which is like way too overkill for this. These boards aren't even 3/4, they don't even agree with each other. The same mill, and the thickness of these boards varies. I'll tell you, they're getting down to the bottom of the batch as far as production goes. So anyways, I'm going to start them with these. I got some 6D hot dip Galvy. I don't got enough to do the whole job, but I'll have enough to get the boards in place, and then I can get some more tomorrow. I can get them today, but I'm not going to go out to the store and come back because I'll be too tired. So we're going to get underway with that, as I just described. One more to spare. That's it. I could paint the deck, but I've still got a lot of nails to put in it, so I'm going to wait. Hell, I'm going to take the rest of the afternoon off. Wow. The deck boards are in place. Okay. Happy day to you. Hi, Judd here.